So today, may event ngayon sa school ni Kuya, kaya naman sinamahan natin siya. So look at him, he's so pogi in his pilot costume. Medyo may time pa nga, so pagkahatid ko sa kanya sa room, nag-send muna ako ng report. And then, so just in time, start na nga daw. So let's go. So nakapasok na nga yung mga bagets sa loob, kaya wala na masyadong tao sa labas. And here, nakikita nyo na naka-assemble na nga yung mga bata. And so, isa-isa silang papasok para makaupo. Here, yung mga bagets, ang cute talaga nila. Iba-iba yung kanilang mga career costume. Nakakatuwa. They're so cute and talaga naman pinaghandaan ng mga parents yung costume ng mga bata. So, si Kuya Marcus nakapag-police costume na siya last time. So, this time, try naman daw niya yung pilot costume. Kuya Marcus would always tell me he wanted to be an artist. Like, yung drawing. Magaling kasi talaga siya mag-drawing. So, that's his interest. So, okay, go support whatever it is na gusto niya someday. Gusto niya maging pilot, artist, doctor, teacher, whatever. Support lang tayo. Go lang. Hindi natin ipipilit kung anong gusto ng magulang this time kasi napagdaanan natin yan at alam natin kung anong kalalabasan. So, kaya naman whatever it is that you like someday, anak, we will support you. Whatever, no matter what, we will support you. And we love you. We're proud of you always. Life is not always a competition. As long as you're a good person, you have good morals, you have fear of God, malayo ang mararating mo sa buhay. I love you, baby!
Yes!